Hello friends, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Justabel Natali. I'm from Team 4. Now I would like to presentation with my friends. Yes, the topic is how do you advance presentation in Indonesia, especially in the commodity and human resource. With my friends, in the first, the name is Dendri Yuka Sembiring. Number 2 is Justabel Natali, me. Number 3 is Dias Putri Nurjana. Number 4 is Didik Pujiartomo. Number 5 Dimas Fitriadi. And number 6, the last is Dwi Rusmanto. Stay tuned and this is my presentation. See you!
Let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Dias Putri Nurjana. I'm going to read out slide 1. Approach and methods of the study. First, basic data on socio-economic and relevant information on 5 commodities: coffee, cocoa, tea, rubber, cassava, and palm oil are collection and analysis. Economic analysis and literature review on such commodity are also conducted to obtain a big picture and more specific focus of attention on particular detail of the commodity. The study then examines the past and current policy strategy, project and initiative on 5 strategy export commodity. Particularly, what has worked, what has not worked, and what are the recommended approaches to solve the issue. In-depth interview, formal and informal. Discussions are conducted with key development partner, private sector, association of producer, processor, traders, and academic engaged in such commodity. And next, the presentation will be explained by Didik Pujiartomo. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Didik Pujiartomo. I will explain point number 2. Point number 2 is feeding on competitiveness and sustainability. The feeding relevant from this study include that the Indonesian agriculture export commodity have different stake in competitiveness and sustainability and respected dynamic issue and problems surrounding its commodity. These agricultural products are unique, where the product characteristic, supply chains, and competitiveness issue are very specific, different from one crop to another. Although there are some similarities in terms of mineral talent and increased production and productivity, enhancing sustainability criteria, global partnership, certification standard, and another principle of global corporate governance. Structural problem in the upstream sector remains central for all crops. The smallholders are very dominant with their respective issue of low yield, poor access to good agricultural practice, cropping techniques, and modern technology. In the midstream sector, the processing practice of the crop are very simple and traditional. Thank you. Okay, the next will be explained by Dwi Rusmanto.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Rusmanto. I will be explain point number 3. Point number 3 is become planter must be understand policy recommendation. This study has examined the competitiveness and sustainability of some key agricultural commodities in Indonesia, namely coffee, chocolate, tea, rubber, cashew, and palm oil. Assessment covers several dimensions for production and farming practice, trading and supply chains, marketing, added value and industrialization strategies, growing domestic demand, business environment, consumer awareness to environmental issues such as resource degradation and climate change. The following policy recommendations are offered to suggest policy change to achieve a higher level of competition and of each agricultural export commodities. Jadi, di dalam poin nomor 3 ini dijelaskan tentang sebuah rekomendasi kebijakan yang harus dilakukan untuk mengoptimalkan budidaya tanaman tersebut. Contoh untuk kopi yaitu memperbaiki mekanisme skema sertifikasi, untuk kakao yaitu memperluas pembibitan SE dan sertifikasi berbasis keberlanjutan. Kemudian untuk teh yaitu menghidupkan kembali sistem produksi dan pemasaran. So, this point is very important because can support progress Indonesia plantation. Okay, the next point will be explained by Dimas Fitriadi.
Okay, well, let me introduce myself. My name is Dimas Fitriadi. I will continue to the next slide. It's slide number 4. Extension activity are in accordance with the mandate of Prudential Decree number 61 of 2015 about agriculture and planetary. Extension activities among these activities are to boost the quality of human resource in the national palm oil sector, but don't get me wrong, this quality improvement effort is not only about the quality of oil palm works in Indonesia, but also about increasing the knowledge of oil palm cultivation of farmers and students in Indonesia. Moreover, the classic obstacle related to the level of oil palm productivity is still hunting. As a result, not all oil palm plantation managers, especially farmers, understand oil palm cultivation according to good agriculture practice or GAP. Director of BPDPKS Herdrajat Natawijaya said that effort to increase human resource in oil palm have been made in the last 2 years. This effort is also a way for Indonesian palm oil work to compete with human resource from other countries. Thanks. Okay, and next presentation will be Fiona Natalie. Thanks.
Hello friends, my name is Sister Fiona Natalie. Now I would like to explain the last part. Is the role of higher education institution is very important for human resources and the plantation sector, because the first, transforming agricultural vocational higher education is very important, will be added with its study programs oriented in the horticultural, agribusiness, plantation, and agricultural mechanization. Higher education is very important to development, have a crucial role in the producing graduates who process science and technology, such as LPP Jakarta, which prepare the student to have human resource with recording in the plantation development human. Thank you guys, and this is my presentation. I would like to explain why the reason my team choose this topic, because Indonesia is agrarian country, and in Indonesia agriculture export commodities have high potential to achieve a high level of competitive and improve in world, because it's very important, and Indonesia is agricultural product is very slow diversification, because agriculture export based among little bit contribution also adds imbalance structural transformation. What should we do, guys, to be planters to advance plantation in Indonesia? And the first, we are to must find basic data on social economic and find relevant information such as by especially commodities, cocoa, tea, cashew, rubbish, palm oil, and other. After that, we must to be analyzed and advance human resourcing to be planters. Thank you. After that, step by step, will be explained by my friends. Thank you.